So now let us start discussing the implementation of this data path. So the implementation of this data path done in different stages, we call. This is very important. Please note down this. Okay. So in this implementation, there will be 3 stages. Okay. We call them as instruction fetching stage, then instruction decode stage, and instruction execution stage. Is that make sense? So what we are going to talk about these, if you look at the CPU view, okay, if you switch to CPU view here, you will get this point. Okay, so here this execution unit is there here, the special CPU registers and those. Okay, so in this, what we are going to talk about, when you go to the execution unit, means they are the hardware component. Okay, so in the execution unit, for suppose any program, let me write program 1 and give the starting address as base address as 10. If any instruction is added, let me just write the instruction like move instruction, moving the value 5 into a general purpose register R0. Okay, and the second value, suppose 7, is moving to another general purpose register R1. Okay, and then performing the arithmetic operation, add operation, adding the value of R0 and value in R1, and then it executes this, right? So first, what is happening? The value 5 is moving to the register. 7 is moving to the register. So the data path is connected from input-output device to the register, and where add is the ALU. So in ALU, how many stages are there? Means first the instruction will be fetched. So it goes to first stage is fetching stage, fetching from the memory, and then it decodes it, and then it executes it. Okay, so these are 3 stages. I hope it's clear, right? So in this execution stage, the stages of the instruction execution is 1 is the instruction fetching stage, which fetch the instruction from the instruction memory. Then it goes to the second stage, that is the decoding stage, where instruction is decoded. That means operation code is separated and it finds what are the source operands, what is the destination operand. So when it is decoding, it finds these source operands in the register and destination operand is also in the register. So the value is fetching from the registers in the decode stage. So in the execution stage for different operations, let us say the first operation is arithmetic and logical operation. Arithmetic operations are known as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical operations are AND operation, OR operation, exclusive OR operation, NOT operation. So all these logic gates which we use to build the circuit, right? So after decoding, in the execution stage for arithmetic and logic operations, the ALU executes the operation addition and subtraction. So here this component is the ALU. And then the result will be write back into the register file. So that is the write back stage. So total how many stages to complete this ALU operation means instruction fetching stage, instruction decode stage, instruction execution stage, and instruction write back stage. So total how many stages? The arithmetic operations completes in how many stages? Next, If you take another class of instructions like memory instructions. So in the memory instructions, after instruction fetching and decoding, in the third stage, it goes to execution stage. So in the execution stage, what happens? In the memory instructions, it computes the effective address. The ALU in the execution stage computes the effective address. How it computes? The effective address, which we discussed in addressing mode as base address plus offset. So that gives the effective address. So the ALU output for this memory instruction is the effective address. And once the effective address is computed, then the result, based on this effective address, it may read the operation. If it is a move operation, it reads the data from the memory. If it is a store operation, then it will write the data into the memory. So total, how many stages it completes its execution? The execution completes in instruction fetching stage, instruction decode stage, and ALU computing. So it computes in, after that read or write operation will be done. Okay? And that write back, for store operation, it will write back into the memory. If you take the branch operations, so instruction fetching will be done from instruction memory. Then the instruction will be decoded. In the execution stage, the branch target address will be computed. That calculate the effective target address. And once the address is computed, then the branch execution completes. It goes to the target. So these are the different stages of instruction execution.